What's going on, YouTube? Traders, investors? China is at it again. Today, they're halting soy purchases from the United States. They're trying to hurt the heartland of America. We're going to dig into some charts today to show just how this will affect the farmers in America. It's not good at all. Before we get into the video, there's going to be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up for Robinhood, which is totally free, you don't pay anything, no fees, no nothing, you'll get a free stock. You stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, or Facebook stock. And on the screen, you'll see the odds of getting those stocks. Sign up, use that link. Okay, here we are on the article that was on CNBC today. The headline, China makes next move in trade war, reportedly halting U.S. soy purchases. So basically, they're not gonna buy any more of our soybeans. They're gonna hurt our farmers. They're gonna hurt the Midwest, the middle of America, the heartland of America. The article goes in to say, China has halted purchases of American soybeans in another move in the escalated trade war with the U.S. Chinese buyers have stopped ordering and don't expect to resume the purchases due to the disagreement over trade between the world's two largest economies. And this was coming from Bloomberg. The U.S. soybean farmers have taken a hard hit from trade tensions as the value of soybean exports to China fell 74%. That is a huge, huge number. I mean, this is really hitting home. And like I said yesterday with the rare earth stuff, this is gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. And the farmers are already feeling it from last year because the Chinese stopped buying then, but now they're going to all out, not buy any at all. Bad for the farmers, bad for America. And my take on it is, this is something that we needed to do with China. We definitely needed for things to be fair, but there's different ways to go about it. And Trump only knows one way, and it's either yes or no. There's no middle ground. It's like he's not thinking about those families. So, but he did announce, well, his administration announced last week that they're going to do a $16 billion trade aid program for American farmers impacted by the retaliatory tariffs. Soybean futures tanked to the lowest since 2009 on May 13th as the trade war heated up. We're gonna break down some charts. You're gonna see them pop up on the screen. And the first one's gonna be with commodity futures prices, the trend for soybeans. And you'll see from 2018, we're up there, and then the sharp drop. You'll see the sharp drop in the chart. And this is like I said, this is hurting the farmers, no doubt. The next one we'll look at that's going to be on your screen is the top 10 soybean exporting nations. We're only behind Brazil when it comes to that. As far as the percentages, 44% for Brazil and 37% for us. And if you look on the chart, there's not too many countries that are even close to us in Brazil. So you know this is gonna hurt. China knows it's gonna hurt. And it's gonna hurt the center of the United States. I just hope that the Trump administration understands what they're doing. I hope. But at the same time, I play devil's advocate. It's something that needs to be done with China. We gotta be fair. It's gotta be fair across the board. The next chart's gonna be the countries of destination for U.S. soybeans. And as you can see on the chart, China, our soybeans, I mean, it should be only one line on this, one bar on this chart. And that's us and China. I mean, it speaks for itself. The Chinese know what they're doing. And Trump insists that we're going to win this trade war. What casualties are we taking? Because we're about to take the farmers. They're going to be the first casualties. And the second's going to be the people of America, because we're going to be paying more. It's all a money thing. All a money thing. And like I said, it's going to get worse. Okay, on this next chart, you're going to see the value of U.S. soybean exports to China and the rest of the world. And you can see around 2008 is where it starts climbing. So where we're given a small percentage compared to, by the time you get to 2016, China is the largest consumer of our soybeans. The chart speaks for itself. This next chart is going to be the top soybean producing states in the United States. So these are going to be the states that are definitely feeling it now from last year, and they're about to feel it even more this year. Illinois, right in the heartland of America. Iowa, right there with Minnesota, all those Midwest states. Those are the ones that are going to get hit the hardest. And like I said before, I hope Trump helps these farmers out. I mean, these farmers have families. Their families have families. So it's got to do something. And this is pretty much going to end this video. If you like the information I provided, subscribe, smash that like button, and hit that bell too, so you'll get future notifications on videos that I release. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.